with me as I show you how to start your own garden early in a very cost-effective way. It's called winter sowing. Winter sowing uses recycled containers like milk jugs to create mini greenhouses. You cut them in half, you poke drainage holes, and you fill it with moist potting soil. Then you start your seeds, your cold hardy seeds usually. It doesn't make sense to start warm weather ones because they're not going to sprout until the soil is significantly warmer. So start with cold hardy seeds, and then you tape the jug back together, leaving the top open for ventilation, and you place them outside in the winter. Nature provides the perfect conditions for germination. No grow lights are needed. The snow and rain waters your seedlings. When the weather warms, your seedlings will sprout and be ready for transplanting. Winter sowing is a super easy, super budget-friendly, and perfect way to start a thriving spring garden. So just follow along as I get started with my winter sowing.